Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Wok with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. This will help me to reach a broader audience. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook a very simple scrambled egg dish with scallions. The purpose of this dish is designed to solve a particular problem. I want to make a fried rice for dinner because my friend Jennifer is coming over. However, she is a vegan, so I could not cook what I normally cook in my fried rice. I was going to make a turkey fried rice with egg, which is what my son and my wife like. So what I'm doing is that I cook them all separately. And therefore, they end up with 3 different dishes, and people feel free to combine all the ingredients together when they serve themselves. The wok turned out to be great for cooking all kinds of eggs. In this case, I'm going to cook a scrambled eggs with scallions. And then I'm going to season the egg very lightly with some oyster sauce. So now each one of us can add as much or none of the eggs to our fried rice. I'm going to cook the egg in my 14-inch Cuisinart stainless steel wok, which always has been my favorite wok. I really enjoy stainless steel cookware. The main reason is because I can keep them clean. Many people have concern about using stainless steel cookware because things can get stick and burn to the surface of the cookware. However, in my case, I don't need to worry because when I use my spot seasoning methods, I can keep the wok with a nice non-stick cooked surface. And this method works really well. And if you are not familiar with it, you can take a look at this video. And I spot season the wok each time before I cook. And when I cook eggs, I usually spot season them a little bit longer. Eggs are notoriously for sticking and burning to the bottom of the cookware, particularly to stainless steel cookware. Now, as you can see here, the egg do not stick to the bottom of the wok at all. I can use the wok spatula freely to push the egg away from the sides of the wok. And if I have not used my spot seasoning method, I'm going to have a bad case of burnt eggs. Next, I'm going to add approximately about a half cup of chopped scallions. Normally when I cook fried rice, I add the scallion directly to the fried rice. In this particular case, I add the scallion to the egg because Jennifer does not like scallions. Well, this is a good demonstration is that in home cooking, you find different ways to solve problems. Since Jennifer is a vegan, so she will not take any egg. So in this case, by putting the scallions with the egg will help me to meet other people's desire to have scallions in their fried rice. Here's another demonstration of how effective the wok is when you have to cook something that requires mixing them together. When you use a wok spatula like this one and you mix things in the wok, because of its bowl shape, it allows you to mix with maximum efficiency. And also with the ability that you can move the items through the surface of the wok easily, you can make sure everything is being cooked as evenly as possible. This mixing process also allows you to cook things very quickly. And as you can see, having a good wok spatula is really important. At this point, I'm going to season the egg with just a small amount of oyster sauce. And because with other vegetables in the fried rice, I do not want the egg to overwhelm their flavors. I really enjoy cooking egg in the wok because it is so fast. In fact, the total cook time for cooking this egg is less than 3 minutes. I really don't think there's any other cooking utensil could do a better job than the wok in cooking this particular dish. The purpose of scrambling the egg in cooking this particular dish is to allow the egg that will be in small pieces so that it could blend together with other ingredients in the fried rice. So basically, I cook this meal in 3 different steps. First, I cook the eggs and I set them aside. I then wash the wok before I cook the vegan fried rice, and it contains 4 different kinds of vegetables. And finally, I cook the stir-fried ground turkey. So basically, you can consider I actually cook 3 different dishes. In the past, I would cook all of them together. And when you cook them separately, the strategy is slightly different when you are cooking them all together. One of the main problems of the YouTube video is that it is not interactive, so it is difficult for me to explain a complex cooking process such as this one that will involve multiple steps. I have been posting videos for over a year every day. And my goal is to help people to see how you're able to manage the different cooking steps in creating a meal as efficiently and effectively as possible. So I think that perhaps one way I can achieve this goal is to do live streaming. So currently I'm in the process of planning a live streaming session in about 10 days, and I will tell you more about what I'm going to do. And I will give you more detail in the next several days. So thank you for watching, and I see you tomorrow.